the Leonard River. There's freshies in here. This, I feel, is really where the Gibb actually begins. Some real rough sections, but mostly it's actually pretty decent. People did say this would happen. They said it's going to turn into allspice. We'll see how we go. A little bit peaky.
La la la. La 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 la.
Fairly uneven ground. It's like straight up, natural vibe. Yeah, phenomenal. I got tears in my eyes almost, like when I was just like, what is happening? This is so sick. Yeah, next level natural experience. So what river is this?
Leonard.
This is the Leonard River. There's freshies in here. Apparently people swim. I've got another 140 k's or something to go. And I'm pretty sure the bitumen runs out quite soon. And that's where the real fun begins, hey? So, onwards. This, I feel, is really where the Gibb actually begins. On the dirt.
Getting it done, mate.
Just got to drop the PSI at about 28.
Champ, good on you, mate. Yeah, nice one.
We're basically going to put, I reckon, 23 in the rears, 20 on the front. I don't want to like slowly drop pressures. I prefer to just drop them to the point where I'm really comfortable rather than going, oh geez, that feels terrible. Oh geez, that feels terrible. I just want a nice easy drive. So yeah, we'll just punch it straight to this from here. See how we go. Hopefully it all goes well. You know it's rough when even the Gibb has a rough surface warning. So we're about 100 and something Ks on the dirt now. Van's towing beautifully. We just normally stop and check every once in a while just to make sure nothing's rattling, nothing's moving or anything's going on in the van, because obviously you don't know, you don't feel that. And it's, look, I've got to say, it's been really nice so far. Some real rough sections, but mostly it's actually pretty decent. People did say this would happen. They said it's going to turn into allspice. These things just fall off. Like they just come off because that's just what they do. But you know what? Look at all this. You can see the dust here, but there's nothing inside. There's no dust on anything in there. It's not actually getting in and getting through. It's all stopping at that seal. So that's doing what it's supposed to do. dead set. That is one of the sickest drives I reckon we've ever done. It was just amazing. All that through there, it is just dead set stunning. Like, so beautiful. I did not expect this up here. I thought like it's going to be flat, dirty, dusty, corrugated. Like, it's quite like that on the other side of all of this. Like back near Alquestro, there wasn't heaps. There was a, you know, the odd mountain range far off, but this, oh man, this is sick. Let's go. We're almost at camp, 20 minutes to go. Adi, do you remember the last time that we went to a place that there was march flies? Quick, march fly Ellie, run!
Push your towels.
Run!
No.
When a march fly lands on you, what will you do?
I get but no balls.
Alright, so here we are. This is the Silent Grove. It's actually quite nice here, it's pretty quiet, but there's a bit of a breeze kicking. And that looks like rain. It's just building over there, getting darker. It's like, hopefully, it's just a typical sort of wet seasony sort of storm thing that just comes and goes and then buggers off. But remains to be seen. I don't think anybody expected they'd be seeing rain on the Gibb this early. This is definitely a unique experience, rare. So yeah, we'll see how we go. A little bit peaky. We'll be right.
I'm freaking out, man.
How do you feel about this, Ada?
I'm scared.
You're not feeling overly great?
Like, it's almost our first real thunderstorm on the road.
No.
It's rocking the whole Caribbean.
No, that's Mummy jumping around in there. The wind is coming. It's starting to rain. Here comes the water. Whoa, big dust. All right, I'm not keen to leave this. Yeah, gotta get the stuff away. Quick. How long do you reckon that took us to pack that up?
10 minutes.
2 minutes. I reckon.
There's a rainbow.
Ada is not feeling great, but guess what, Ada?
Feel the fear and do it anyway.
La la la. La la la.
You call this a storm? Oh, you son of a...
I love the rain.
Does it vibe? It's just come blustery crazy and there's still like drops of rain coming, like beautiful sunset in the background, and the rain's gone that way. Oh, hang on. It's actually rain. The rain's here, Margie!
Marge, the rains are here.
Alright, we better go inside now, guys. Easy carve leg of lamb on the Weber. Now, I am actually a total Ziggy fan. Like, I am not a huge Weber fan at all. In fact, I've got Weber barbecues at home. I am a Weber fan, actually. I'm a massive Weber fan, but not of their little barbecues. I loved the Ziggy. The Ziggy looked better on paper. The Ziggy just had a better design. You could fold it over and slide it in, all this sort of stuff. But we bought our Ziggy, and it's over behind the fridge on the other side of that tunnel boot. And I tell you what, we haven't used it once. We didn't even pull it out because it's a pain in the bum.
Because it's too big for the...
Yeah, it's too big for this thing. They designed this for the Weber and it fits perfectly on here, and you can still fit a whole bunch of stuff around it. And so we actually went out. I was just like, bugger it, we're just going to go buy a Weber. And I'm so glad we did. We should have listened to the guys while we were there. They said, oh, have you got a Weber? I was like, nah, mate, I've got a Ziggy. And
You got to get a Weber
that's a bit
baby...
of Barbie.
What is it? Baby Q?
Baby Q, yeah.
Baby cute.
But I was quite arrogant about it. I was like, nah, Ziggy's a better Barbie. That's what I want. But I tell you what, I have been so impressed with this thing. This has been awesome. And we use it all the time because, again, it's easy, right? And everything just works here, all on here. So, yeah, I gotta say, even though I'm a Ziggy man when it comes to those little barbecues, this thing has been a godsend. You'd be mad not to get a Weber just for this purpose so that everything just went smoothly. Anyway, I'm gonna go drink my champagne before it gets really hot because it's still really hot. Don't know if I mentioned how hot it is lately. And we're gonna go hang out.
It's 40 degrees.
Hopefully we don't get another storm. Good night.
And
See you in the
we
morning.
will.
All right, walking into Bell Gorge. Here we go. So this is a Bell Gorge walk, just down the road from Silent Grove. It's kind of spitty, A little bit rainy, a bit random. It's a lot cooler than what it otherwise would be. So we'll see how we go. Apparently this is a really beautiful walk, and yeah, I hope it just doesn't rain. Like, it looks like it could just pour. So we're not really sure exactly how this is gonna go. But fingers crossed, we'll keep walking, and hopefully we get to have a nice swim in the gorge. Fairly uneven ground. Go easy, little turbo. Rightio. Cliff risk. How cool is this? How was that?
It was cold.
It wasn't
Very
cold.
slippery.
It wasn't cold. Was it fun?
Yes, it was very slippery.
Next time we got to remember to bring your
Is this one of the most special experiences you think you've had in your life?
Yep, right on the Kimberley.
You're right, Dale? Just getting the towel wet, mate. Yeah, doing everyone a favour. Good on you. Rating out of 10 from Dale Fitzpatrick.
9.5.
Oh, 9. Where's the 0.5? What is the 0.5?
If it wasn't raining so hard.
Oh, okay.
If it wasn't raining so hard, I'd get back that 5%.
And if it had a lolly machine?
A 9.5.
9.5.
9.5.
Because I nearly slipped and broke my ankle on the slime.
I would give it a 10 out of 10 because it's so rare to get rain, and we just had this epic downpour, and it was all bubbles and raindrops on the water and on your face, and it was just like straight up natural vibe. Yeah, phenomenal. I got tears in my eyes almost, like when I was just like, what is happening? This is so, yeah, next level natural experience. What is going on back there?
I knew.
I don't need to be dried, I'm okay. Yeah, Bell Gorge, 100%. This is magical. We'll stay a bit longer. Maybe we'll see a bit of sunshine. Maybe we don't want a bit of sunshine because you get real muggy. I don't know. But either way, epic. Come on, let's go. Alright, so that was awesome. Now Mt Barnett.
Yeah, and Manning Campground. We might camp there for a night and see what the weather's doing, and then decide if we're going to continue on.
Yeah, we'll see what happens with the weather. Yeah, at the moment, like without solar, like we're running 2 fridges and we can't really afford bad weather. So we're gonna have to get back there, get everything hooked up, get on the push, see what we can do. Anyway, Mt Barnett, here we come. See you on the road.